Doesn't want to start working today. We'll see if it goes. So, select basketball. 4 boxes of select basketball, guys. Good luck. Then after select basketball, we'll do 4 boxes of hot rookies football. And then we'll get this stuff to the post office before tonight's stuff. Boxes 1 and 2. Mini boxes 1 and 2. Select basketball. An auto and a jersey in each one. Select basketball, guys. Good luck. Got our rookie of Peyton Silva. Detroit Pistons. Got a X-Fractor auto jersey. It's going to the New York Knicks. New York Knicks. This one out of 99 of Kenyon Martin. Haven't seen that Kenyon Martin stuff for a while. Out of 99, New York Knicks, Kenyon Martin. Base back there. Got a Nerlens Noel, rookie for the Sixers. Got a Chris Paul, Clippers. Base. Got a Perot Antic, rookie for the Atlanta Hawks. Got a base jersey card for the Nets. Base jersey card for the Nets of Jason Williams. Jason Williams for the Nets. That one is not numbered. Base behind him. Got a Brandon Davies, 76ers rookie. Got a Youngbloods of Oladipo for the Magic. All base. I'm not sure if we will or not, Heath. Trey Burke for the Jazz, rookie. Got a Thaddeus Young, 76ers. Prism. That one numbered to 99. Base. So I'm not sure if we will or not. Got Anthony Bennett for the Cavaliers. Got a Prism of Michael Carter Williams, 76ers. Base. Got a Kentavious Caldwell Pope for the Detroit Pistons. Got Sean Marion for the Mavericks. That's about even. That one is out of 25. Sean Marion for the Dallas Mavericks. Dallas Mavericks. Base. Got a Glenn Rice Jr., rookie for the Wizards. Got a Shabazz Muhammad, Timberwolves. Base. No, we're not. We do not have any of the new ITG in the game stuff coming. Got a Reggie Bullock for the Clippers. We will have some Prime when that comes out. We'll also have some National Treasures when that comes out too. Not too bad. Signatures Prism Blue, card 15, 76ers. Guy named Dr. J. Julius Erving, Signature Prism Blue. Card number 15, Julius Erving. It's a good hit for the Sixers. Base. Got a Bobcats, now the Hornets. Cody Zeller. Got a Clutch, Steve Kerr for the Bulls. Base. I wonder what the Prism Blue is number 2. Got a Mason Plumlee for the Nets. Got a Glenn Davis refractor for the Clippers. Base. Got a Atlanta Hawks of Dennis Schroeder. Got a Ty Lawson, Denver Nuggets. That one is out of 99. Base. Got a Oladipo for the Magic rookie. Got a jersey card select swatches going to the Toronto Raptors. Toronto Raptors not numbered of Steve Novak. Steve Novak. 4 base. Last pack. Box number 1. Got a Michael Carter Williams, rookie for the Sixers. Got a Kawhi Leonard, Prism. Base. Box 2. Box number 2. Got a Luigi Daytona for the Pistons. Got a Red Hot Derrick Rose, Chicago Bulls. Base. Got another redemption. Got a Shane Larkin, Mavericks. Got a Jersey Auto Purple, card 39, Charles Oakley. Jersey Auto Prism Purple, card 39, Charles Oakley. So we'll look on the checklist when we get done and see where Charles Oakley is going to go. Jersey Auto Prism Purple, card 39. Base. Got a Steven Adams. Got a Ray Allen for the Heat. I would assume it would be a Nick. All base. Got a CJ McCollum, Trailblazers. Prism of Dwayne Wade for the Heat. Refractor. Base. Got a Bucks, Nate Walters. Got a J.J. Hickson, Denver Nuggets, $2.99. Base. Got out of 49. But first, Shabazz Muhammad. Timberwolves. Got a jersey. Denver Nuggets, number 249, Denari Gallinari. Or Daniel Gallinari. Denver Nuggets to 49. Base. Dallas Mavericks, Gale Meckel. Got a Eric Gordon for the Pelicans, refractor. Base. It's kind of weird, missing a card. Got 3 base in there. Also got a base jersey card. Base jersey, Miami Heat, Dwayne Wade. Dwayne Wade, Miami Heat base jersey card that is not numbered. There we go. There's a bunch of extra cards in this pack. There they all went. Got Reggie Bullock, Clippers. Got Lorenzo Brown, 76ers. Got a White Hot Serge Ibaka. And then the rest base. Got a Cody Zeller, the Bobcats. Got a Prism auto, on-card auto. Gonna go with Miami Heat. This one numbered to 99, Greg Oden. We had a Greg Oden refractor the other night too. Now a little X-Fractory. Greg Oden to 99 for the Heat. Base. Got another Mason Plumlee. Got a Kimball Walker. Base. Hawks, Dennis Schroeder again. Got a Blake Griffin, Clippers. That one too, 99. Base. Got a Victor Oladipo, Magic. Got a clutch refractor, Damian Lillard. That one is not numbered. And then you got a Kobe for the Lakers. 3 base. The Kobe is number 2, a 49. Kobe numbered to 49 for the Lakers. Good hit for the Lakers. Last pack, box number 2. I need to do something. Give me just a second here. I don't want my computer to restart. That probably wouldn't be very good. Got another Mike Carter Williams, 76ers. Prism Kevin Durant, the Thunder. Base. Like that. Stack back, box number 3. Box 3. That's right, Greg Oden has made a ton of money for not doing much work. And everyone keeps giving him a chance. That's going to be a triple, at least. Dude's fast. Box 3. Got a Deladova, Cavaliers. Got a Kimball Walker. Base. Got a Namaji Nedovic, Warriors. Got a James Harden, the Rockets. Sort of like Puig, all base. He didn't just jog around first to casually get a double. As fast as he could, try to get a triple. Going all the way. Luigi Dayton, Pistons. Then you've got a green maybe, or an emerald. That's probably what it's called. An emerald, number to 5. Emerald to 5. I'm going to go to the Boston Celtics. Gerald Wallace. Gerald Wallace. Boston Celtics. That is an emerald, number to 5. 3 of 5. Jared Wallace. Base. Got a Shane Larkin, Mavericks. Your jersey card is a base. We go to the Lakers. Marshawn Brooks. Marshawn Brooks, base jersey for the Lakers. Got a Steven Adams, Thunder. Prism Blake Griffin, refractor for the Clippers. 4 base. Got a Rudy Gobert, Jazz. Got a Sky High Blake Griffin, Clippers. Base. Get a Tony Snell, rookie for the Bulls. Got a rookie auto jersey. Rookie auto jersey, not numbered, Miles Plumlee. Brooklyn Nets. Miles Plumlee. And you've got a prism of Damian Lillard. Portland Trailblazers. That one to 49. Base. Damian Lillard to 49. Get a Gail Meckel. Get a Marc Gasol, Grizzlies. Base. '76ers, Lorenzo Brown again. Get an X-Factor, Paul George. Indiana Pacers to 99. Base. Got a Clippers, Reggie Bullock. Got a refractor of Kevin Love, Timberwolves. Base. Got another Cody Zeller. Refractor, Monty Ellis, Dallas Mavericks. Base. Got Nate Walters for the Bucks. Got a Prism to 35. Got out of 35 for the Spurs, David Robinson jersey card. David Robinson jersey for the Spurs, number to 35. Good hit for the Spurs. 4 base. Blazers, CJ McCollum. Got a red hot Thaddeus Young, 76ers. 4 base. Got a gold auto, Shabazz Muhammad. Gold for the Atlanta Hawks. Number 210, Theo Ratliff. Theo Ratliff, gold. Atlanta Hawks, Theo Ratliff. Base. Box number 4. Box 4, then we'll move on to our Hot Rookies football. Got another CJ McCollum. That's probably, I think, 3 or 4 now. Got a skills of Paul Pierce for the Nets. Number 299. Base. Then tonight we should have some new Prestige football. I just got to go up to UPS and pick it up. So tonight we got some Prestige football. We'll break into a case of Inception baseball, and we'll break into a brand new case of Tier 1 baseball too. Nate Walters for the Bucks. Got a jersey refractor. Jersey refractor 25, Kevin Durant for the Thunder. Kevin Durant for the Thunder. 4 base. Got a Shabazz Muhammad. And you got a refractor of Michael Carter Williams. Sixers. Base. Oh, that's pretty sick. Too bad there's not an auto on it. Gail Michael, Mavericks. We've got a 3-piece gold patch. Get a gold patch. Number 210, guy named Kobe for the Lakers. This one is numbered 6 of 10. That'll probably fetch you get a dollar amount. Kobe Bryant, gold 3-colored patch to 10. It's a good hit for the Lakers. Base. '76ers, Lorenzo Brown. Got Damian Lillard. Base. Got a Reggie Bullock, Clippers rookie. And got a base auto, Utah Jazz. Enes Kanter. Utah Jazz, base, Enes Kanter. Got another Cody Zeller. Got a Magic Johnson, clutch, base. Got a Mason Plumlee, the Nets rookie. Got an X-Factor of Kyrie Irving, Cavaliers, numbered to 99, base. Dennis Schroeder, Hawks. Refractor of Al-Farouq Aminu, the Pelicans, 4 base. Got another Oladipo. Got a Dirk Nowitzki, refractor, base. Another Michael Carter Williams. Got a DeMar DeRozan, the Raptors, base. Got a Peyton Silva, Pistons rookie. Got a veteran auto jersey. Veteran auto jersey. That is not numbered for the Hawks, Steve Smith. So the Hawks with a gold auto and now an auto jersey. Steve Smith, Atlanta Hawks. It looks like we got a gold, numbered to 10. So we got an emerald to 5 and 3 golds today. A gold patch, a base gold, and a gold auto. For the Pelicans, Al-Farouq Aminu. New Orleans Pelicans. Gold, numbered 2 of 10. 2 of 10 for the Pelicans. Base. Got a Nerlens Noel, Sixers. Kobe Bryant. Base. Last pack, select basketball. Got a Pero Antic for the Hawks. Refractor Anthony Davis for the Pelicans. 4 base. Finishing select basketball this afternoon.